Hello everyone, I am in Shandong, China, where the world's largest vegetable expo is being held. So let's go inside and make some fascinating discoveries and find out what this is all about. Dear viewers, we find ourselves at the heart of the labyrinth, and our mission is to find the longest vegetable, the largest vegetable, the most technologically advanced vegetable, and the least recognizable vegetable. So let's find these together. So we have tiny heirloom tomatoes, and right next to these are these almost black, deep violet. So to my right and to my left is a display of soilless coconut farming. But they're not just ordinary flowers. These are traditional Chinese medicine herbs. You must be wondering, this looks like a pumpkin, but it is not a pumpkin. It is a tomato. This is the self-pollination robot. It is automatic pollination. It recognizes different kinds of seeds, uses air and also other flows to be able to automatically pollinate within greenhouses. This one looks the best. I can move it a little bit. This is a ginormous pumpkin. It is 400 gene or 200 kilograms, and this entire section is filled with pumpkins about this size. Can you guess what is that in the air? That is sweet potatoes. Each potato is about 10 times larger than an average sweet potato. And what this new technology is enabling is that we don't need to grow these potatoes underground. There is a very advanced intelligent system that results in just 60 square meters of space being able to cultivate 2,400 kilograms of sweet potatoes every year, all year round. After hours of hard work, searching for the longest vegetable, here in front of me is a loofah. This one here is not only 1 meter long, not only 2 meters long, it is almost 3 meters long. And my friends, this is one of our final destinations, the longest vegetable here at the Shogang Vegetable Expo. And there are really small plants that we are used to seeing. But here we have a tomato tree, which is spanning 80 meters square, which is capable of growing 3,000 kilograms of tomatoes every year. We just stumbled across the cutest and most useful machine I couldn't even have imagined exists. This is a tractor that can not only elevate in height, it can carry a whopping 750 kilograms of weight and make it easy for farmers to move from one place to another. We have seen plants grow in soil, in substitutes of soil, or in water. But can you imagine fruits and vegetables thriving without water, without soil? Here we have aerosol agriculture that is creating an air environment through moisture, giving precisely the nutrients that these plants need to help them grow, help them thrive. We have arrived at the epitome of scientific advancement in agriculture technology. Here we have plants that are not only thriving in deserts and unbecoming climatic situations, they are thriving in outer space. And another interesting thing is, this is also a story of Pakistan-China collaboration. The tomatoes that were thriving in space, they came from seeds that were from Pakistan. So why is Shouguang Shandong the host of the largest vegetable expo in the world? So what is the ultimate secret behind this special status? Let's find out what it's all about.